The future of motion is no longer a distant dream. Imagine a vehicle that doesn't simply glide over roads but defies gravity, accelerating with precision while consuming near-zero energy. The Lotus Airblade 2056 is that vehicle, a revolutionary ultralight nano levitation speedster that fuses cutting-edge technology, luxury, and futuristic design. Lotus is not merely making cars. It is redefining the very concept of speed, motion, and the driving experience. Designed to showcase what the future of mobility could be, the Airblade 2056 promises a level of performance and immersion that transforms every journey into an experience. The design philosophy of the Airblade 2056 exemplifies the harmonious marriage of form and function. The exterior boasts aerodynamic, flowing lines that reduce drag while projecting the impression of constant motion, even at a standstill. Adaptive surfaces on the vehicle respond to air pressure and levitation dynamics, optimizing stability at extreme velocities. Lotus' signature elegance is reimagined for a futuristic, almost otherworldly aesthetic, combining minimalism with aggression. Every curve, surface, and detail has been meticulously crafted to enhance speed perception and evoke an emotional response, creating a vehicle that is not merely observed but fully experienced. Inside, the cockpit is driver-centric and designed to immerse the occupant in an unparalleled technological environment. A holographic dashboard provides real-time data, navigation, and AI-assisted feedback, creating an interface that is intuitive, adaptive, and visually captivating. Seating incorporates advanced nanomaterials that conform to body and motion, ensuring maximum comfort and stability even at high speeds. Controls are voice-activated and neural interface-ready, allowing seamless interaction between human and machine. The Airblade 2056 exemplifies the Lotus philosophy that design should enhance both motion and emotion, transforming driving into a deeply sensory experience. At the heart of the vehicle lies the quantum energy core, a revolutionary power source that redefines automotive propulsion. The QEC harnesses advanced quantum principles to generate near-limitless energy, enabling sustained high-speed levitation without reliance on conventional fuel. This power source delivers instantaneous acceleration, providing frictionless thrust that propels the Airblade 2056 to speeds that were once considered impossible. Beyond raw performance, the QEC is eco-conscious, producing zero emissions and minimal thermal waste. Multiple safety and redundancy systems ensure reliability under extreme conditions, making the QEC not just an engine but the central nervous system of the vehicle, powering every aspect of its performance and functionality. Performance is at the core of the Airblade 2056 experience. The combination of ultralight construction and the QEC allows for unparalleled acceleration and top speeds, redefining what it means to move. Nano-levitation technology ensures frictionless handling and adaptive stability, allowing drivers to maneuver with extraordinary precision. AI-assisted controls and haptic feedback create a near-symbiotic connection between the driver and the vehicle, enhancing response times and ensuring total control even at extreme velocities. Compared to conventional hypercars, the Airblade 2056 establishes a new standard for speed, efficiency, and immersive driving experience, demonstrating that true motion is not merely about travel, but the feeling of movement itself. The interior of the Airblade 2056 is designed to maximize both immersion and luxury. The cockpit features a fully holographic dashboard and neural interfaces that allow the driver to control the vehicle with minimal physical input. Seats crafted from advanced nanomaterials adapt dynamically to body and motion, ensuring comfort and stability. Ambient lighting, climate control, and customizable interior aesthetics create an environment that is both futuristic and inviting. An onboard AI co-pilot assists with navigation, predictive motion guidance, and safety alerts, blending exhilaration with security. Sensory immersion is further enhanced by integrated soundscapes, visual cues, and tactile feedback, turning every ride into a fully engaging, multi-dimensional experience. In the Airblade 2056, the journey is elevated to an art form, where every motion, vibration, and visual element contributes to the overall sensation of speed and freedom. Sustainability is embedded in every aspect of the Airblade 2056, Ultralight nanocarbon composites and recyclable materials reduce weight and environmental impact, while the quantum energy core enables zero-emission propulsion. Nano-levitation minimizes wear on roads and infrastructure, eliminating traditional friction-related degradation and further reducing the vehicle's ecological footprint. Optimized aerodynamics and energy-efficient levitation ensure that maximum speed is achieved with minimal energy expenditure. Lotus has successfully created a hyperspeed vehicle that is not only thrilling to drive, but also aligns with the demands of a sustainable, eco-conscious future, demonstrating that high performance and environmental responsibility can coexist harmoniously. The Airblade 2056 is designed to be more than a vehicle. It is a statement of technological artistry and a vision of the future. It establishes a benchmark for next-generation hyperspeed vehicles, merging luxury, sustainability, and quantum propulsion into a singular, elegant form. Beyond personal use, it anticipates integration with smart cities and urban mobility networks of the future, demonstrating the potential of levitation vehicles to reshape how people move. Its influence on design and engineering is likely to extend far beyond Lotus itself, inspiring other manufacturers to rethink materials, energy systems, and the very concept of what a vehicle can be. By combining the heritage of Lotus engineering excellence with the possibilities of quantum-era technology, the Airblade 2056 is positioned to leave a lasting legacy as a symbol of human ingenuity, the thrill of motion, and the future of sustainable speed. The Lotus Airblade 2056 is not merely a machine, it is an icon of innovation. It represents a bold leap into the 21st century's mobility landscape, proving that it is possible to achieve hyperspeed, sustainable travel without compromising luxury or human experience. It captures the essence of Lotus, long-standing dedication to engineering excellence while embracing the futuristic possibilities of quantum energy and nano-levitation. More than a vehicle, it is a testament to what the future can hold: a world where motion is fluid, sustainable, and exhilarating, where technology amplifies human experience rather than replacing it, and where each journey is an opportunity to feel the thrill of possibility at its purest. With its combination of ultralight construction, advanced levitation, and intelligent energy systems, the Airblade 2056 is a revolution in motion, offering both drivers and passengers a level of engagement and excitement unmatched in conventional vehicles. Every detail, from the sculpted exterior to the immersive interior and responsive AI, is engineered to enhance the experience of speed, control, and freedom. It is a vehicle that does not simply transport, it transforms, creating a legacy of innovation and inspiration that will resonate for decades to come. The Lotus Airblade 2056 stands as a declaration of the possibilities awaiting the world of transportation, a benchmark against which future vehicles will inevitably be measured, and a symbol of humanity's drive to merge creativity, engineering, and imagination into an entirely new way of experiencing motion. The Airblade 2056 is ultimately the embodiment of a vision where every journey is an experience, every element is purposeful, and every ride is a statement. It illustrates that speed and sustainability are not mutually exclusive, that luxury can be fused with ecological responsibility, and that technological innovation can be artful, exhilarating, and transformative. The Lotus Airblade 2056 is the definitive ultralight nano-levitation speedster of the future, a vehicle that redefines performance, reimagines mobility, and inspires a new generation to see motion not as mere transportation, but as an adventure, a statement, and a legacy. The Lotus Airblade 2056 does not merely exist as a vehicle. It is a manifestation of a vision for what the next century of mobility could look like. It represents the intersection of engineering precision, quantum innovation, and human-centric design, creating a holistic experience that transcends the limits of conventional vehicles. Every aspect of the Airblade, from its levitation propulsion system to its adaptive cockpit environment, is carefully calibrated to foster a sense of control, exhilaration, and connectivity. Unlike traditional vehicles that rely solely on mechanical systems, the Airblade 2056 integrates an intelligent network of sensors, AI-driven control modules, and predictive algorithms that respond in real time to both the driver and environmental conditions. This results in a dynamic synergy where vehicle performance, user comfort, and safety converge seamlessly. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the Airblade 2056 is its nano-levitation system. Traditional wheels and tires have always imposed mechanical constraints, frictional limits, and maintenance challenges. By contrast, nano-levitation uses microscopic electromagnetic fields to create a stable, frictionless hovering effect. This not only allows the Airblade to achieve unprecedented speeds with minimal energy loss, but also dramatically improves handling, cornering, and braking. The levitation system continuously adjusts the magnetic and gravitational forces acting on the vehicle, ensuring absolute stability, even when navigating complex urban or high-speed environments. The result is a smooth, floating sensation, as if the driver is gliding above the ground, untethered by the traditional limitations of traction or road irregularities. The integration of quantum energy core (QEC) technology further amplifies the vehicle's capabilities. The QEC is not simply a power source. It is a quantum computing-assisted energy management system that monitors, distributes, and optimizes energy across the entire vehicle. This allows the Airblade to sustain ultra-high acceleration for extended periods without overheating or energy depletion. The QEC also enables regenerative energy functions, capturing motion energy and converting environmental heat or kinetic forces into usable power, which aligns with the Airblade's eco-conscious philosophy. By leveraging quantum-level energy manipulation, Lotus has achieved a system that is simultaneously highly efficient, incredibly powerful, and environmentally responsible, a combination that has long been the dream of automotive engineers and futurists alike. In addition to performance, the user experience of the Airblade 2056 is designed to be fully immersive. The interior environment is a fusion of luxury, technology, and adaptive ergonomics. Every surface, every interface, and every light pattern is designed to respond to the driver's inputs and physiological cues. Sensors monitor heart rate, hand position, and eye movement to optimize control feedback and environmental comfort. While the AI co-pilot suggests dynamic adjustments to navigation or performance modes, the seats, constructed from adaptive nanofibers, adjust stiffness and contour to the driver's posture and motion, offering unparalleled comfort at high speeds. The cabin's ambient lighting and soundscapes evolve in response to motion and environment, creating an experiential narrative that turns driving into a multi-sensory journey. This approach transforms the act of travel into a dynamic interaction between machine and human, where every decision, motion, and sensation is amplified and enhanced. Beyond the vehicle itself, the Airblade 2056 represents a cultural shift in transportation philosophy. By demonstrating the feasibility of high-speed, energy-efficient, levitating vehicles, Lotus challenges conventional notions of mobility and urban planning. The Airblade is designed not just for roads, but for a future where infrastructure adapts to advanced vehicles. Smart levitation corridors, magnetic highways, and integrated city networks could one day allow fleets of vehicles like the Airblade to operate at high efficiency with minimal environmental impact. This aligns with broader trends in urban design where sustainability, performance, and human experience converge to create intelligent, adaptive cities. In this sense, the Airblade 2056 is more than a vehicle. It is a conceptual blueprint for the transportation systems of tomorrow.